Hi everybody, it's Claire with the instalment number 6 for the Art by Marlene Advent calendar. Today we got the little chipboard element that says Born to Create. So I'm working on a denim page in my blue edition media journal. There's some gesso on there already, so I just added a bit more. And I decided I would use the little stencils, the scallop stencils that we got the other day, and use some rainbow colours. So I'm just getting all of those ready. And then I'm just going to use the rainbow colours, one colour on each little segment of the stencil strip, and just do a few sort of stripes of those going across the page on the denim and gesso page. I was going for a really colourful vibe, probably less Christmassy with this one and more just bright and cheerful, because creating makes me super happy. So then once that was dry, I then started to add some little pieces of collage, like tissue paper on there. Excuse me. So this is one of my favourite ones. It is just like a bit of wrapping paper tissue, and it's got lovely little black dots on it. And then this is a decoupage paper with some text on, which is also pretty cool as well. I really like both of those, so I added a few of those on. Again, just to break up the background really. And then I'm just selecting some die cuts from the Art by Marlene book. And this lady didn't have any arms, so I decided I would use paintbrushes for arms, because why not really? And then a bed of flowers at the bottom, nice and cheerful. So I am just selecting these from the book, sticking them straight in place with some PVA glue. And then in a bit I will use a Stabilo oil just to add some darkness around those to help them stand out a little bit. So I'm just building up those elements at the bottom and then sticking the groovy lady in place. The crown, because why not? And paintbrush arms. I don't know, sometimes you've just got to go with it, haven't you? And then I've just got my black gel pen and my Signo Uniball in white, and just start adding some details onto these flowers just to try and pop them out from my busy, colourful background a little bit. Then I'm just going around with the Stabilo oil and then just water activating that. Doing the same around the figure. And then I added some dots as well. And that was it really for this page. Fairly simple, fairly quick, cheerful, happy, colourful, bright page. And then you can see just little bits of doodling on the die cut pieces too. That's it, that's the finished page. So not really a Christmassy vibe today, but a happy, colourful creating page. So thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow to see what I do for day 7.